Hi, I'm Stephen McGee and I'm the author of Curing Electromagnetic Hypersensitivity. And we're here to take a look at this experiment that we're starting today. It involves growing a plant inside a Faraday cage. And this is the plant that is going to go inside of the Faraday cage. It's a Dieffenbachia. You can see it's got leaves the size of your hand. And that's how the Dieffenbachia is supposed to grow. So this plant is going to spend its daytime only inside of the Faraday cage, and at night time it's going to come out of the Faraday cage, and then the next day it's going to go back in, and the following night it's going to come out, and so on. And the reason why we're going to do that is we've actually already done the Faraday cage experiment with this plant, but it was the opposite way around. So this plant has spent its nighttime only inside of the Faraday cage. It spends its daytime outside of the Faraday cage, and it actually survived the experience. All my plants that spend full time in Faraday cages actually die. So part-time in Faraday cages is actually far healthier. But you'll see that this plant is not normal. So it's lost a lot of its patterning, it's got very small leaves, and it's surviving in the Faraday cage, but it's not exhibiting normal growth. In fact, I would have to say, compared to my controls, it may actually have some accelerated growth, but it's accelerated, deformed growth that is occurring inside of the Faraday cage of a nighttime. So this is the same age Dieffenbachia came into the home, the same month, and this one grows normally. So this is how my controls in the home are currently growing. So you can see they've got lots of patterning, lots of leaves, and this never goes anywhere near a Faraday cage. It just sits on a window ledge near to a window in the home, and we have a very fine looking Dieffenbachia, and its labels down here. So this is part of a different experiment that was started at the same time. As you can see, very, very nice growth. So very, very different from this. So that's the experiment. So this plant is going to go into the cage once the video is finished, and that will start the experiment. As soon as I have more information, I will do another video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I wish you the very best of health. Thank you.